Now that we've added some custom content to the home and help pages, I'd like to create the About page that I mentioned earlier. You can take a look at it now. Just go to Static Pages About. You can see we're sorry, but something went wrong. And that's not surprising because there's nothing there. So what we're going to do in this section is add this About page, not using the browser, but using test-driven development. So we're actually going to let the tests guide us in implementing this page. So automated tests are incredibly useful. They catch errors, they let you make changes to your application while being confident that you're not breaking it. And they also act as a client for your code so that it often helps you in designing your application to write the tests first. But that's not always the right decision, and we'll see throughout the rest of this tutorial some of the cases where it makes sense to write the test second or not to write tests at all. But automated testing is a huge deal, and I remember the bad old days when there weren't automated tests for web applications, and it was terrible. So this is a big deal. This is just such a great thing that you can do this.